Setting up Microsoft Authenticator app is a simple process, okay? It enhances the security of your online accounts. So, you're going to start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. And once installed, open the app and choose the option to add an account. You can add a Microsoft account or other supported services. Now, for a Microsoft account, sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, you're going to be prompted to enable two-factor authentication. The service will show a QR code that you need to scan using the Authenticator app. To do this, open the app, select the option to add an account, and scan the QR code displayed on the website. All right, this is going to link your account to the app, okay, allowing you to generate secure time-based codes for future logins. Now, for other accounts such as Google or work-related services, it follows a similar process. Each service will provide a QR code or secret key to link it with the app. So after scanning or entering the key, it's going to generate a verification code, and the next time you log in, you're going to be asked for the code along with your password, and it's going to add an extra layer of security, an extra layer of protection to your account, and it ensures, just log in right away to ensure that it's working correctly.